Step 1. Disable Windows Settings Ad. Windows 11 settings should be clean and simple. So, stop letting Windows recommend apps and services every time you open the settings. For this, click on Privacy and Security. Let Windows show me product recommendation and offers in settings. Just uncheck these three options and this will remove those annoying promoted apps from your settings. Step 2. Disable Start Menu Ad. For this, open Settings, go to Personalization, there find Start option, click on it. Now turn off these two options from here. After disable, it will remove annoying ads from your Start menu. Step 3. Remove ads from File Explorer. For this, open File Explorer, click on three dots, go to the View option, uncheck this option and this will stop OneDrive promos from here. Step 4. Disable Lock Screen Ads. To disable Lock Screen Ad, go to Personalization, set your background to picture or slideshow. Step 5. Disable Notifications Ad in Windows 11. For this, open Settings, click on the System option, go to the Notifications, scroll down and click Additional Settings. Here, uncheck these two options. That is where a lot of hidden ads come from.